I wanted to take a minute to show you how to access a skills-based assessment we have in Eureka. The easiest way to access this assessment is to log onto our GCC homepage and click on Students, Counseling, and then our Career Center homepage. On our Career Center homepage, if you scroll toward the bottom on the right-hand side under Start Exploring Now, we have a bunch of great resources. The one I wanted to show you for today is Eureka. If you click on Eureka, it brings you to the Eureka homepage where you can create an account. If you already have an account, you can click Log In up here, but if you don't have an account yet, we actually pay for all of our students to have an account. You can fill out your information toward the bottom. It just asks a few questions, and then you can select a counselor if you want to, and then continue, and it sets up your account for you. Since I already have an account, I'm going to log into my account. Once you log into your account, you always want to start with Dashboard on your left-hand side. So when we click on Dashboard, it brings you to our self-assessments. The assessment we're going to take today is going to be called the Micro Skills. If you click on Micro Skills, it brings you to some information about the Micro Skills assessment. We would then want to click on My Skills, and we would want to click on Questionnaire. I've already completed the skills assessment, but it gives you the directions. Review the 12 categories below and check 35 skills you feel you will most enjoy using in your career. So it gives you the directions, and you select which skills you prefer and look interesting to you. There's quite a few skills that you'll go through. And on the right here, you'll click Next. And then again, it narrows them down a little bit further. So it says below are the 35 you selected. Now check 20 that you are willing to use sometimes, but not all the time. And then you're going to go through the list and select 20 and then click Next. And then it gives you the next prompt from the remaining 15. Check 10 you would find moderately satisfying to use in a job. These are skills you enjoy and like to use often. Once you've selected your 10 moderately satisfying skills, click Next. So again, you're going to go through these skills and rank them, and then click Next. And then it's going to list your top 5 skills. So this is the final step, is to review your top 5 very satisfying skills. So these are the skills that are the most satisfying to you specifically. And then when we click on results, it'll take just a second. And then it lists your top skills and how you ranked them. And then you can click on top careers, and it gives you some suggested careers and occupations based off the skills that you selected. So this is another great assessment that pair nicely with the other assessments that we take in many of our classes.